Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see about name change affidavit, how to fill name change affidavit and who needs to fill name change affidavit. So they have split this category into two types. One is who needs name change and who doesn't need name change. So this is the document which is mentioned in VFS Global. So this document is little bit complicated to read through as it is. So I have made a separate checklist which explains little bit better. So let's see that checklist now. So this is the checklist which I have made. So first let's see who doesn't require name change affidavit. So if you are married, remarried or divorced, and in that case if you are adding your spouse name in your passport, or if you are changing your surname to your spouse name in your passport, or if in case if you are divorced and you want to change your surname or your spouse name which is mentioned in your passport, or delete your spouse name which is mentioned in your passport, or in case of remarried if you wish to change your spouse name or add your spouse name in passport, then you don't have to submit name change affidavit. You only have to submit your marriage certificate, divorce certificate or remarriage certificate. And also in case of spelling mistake, and also in case of spelling variation which is different from your birth certificate and your passport. For these two scenarios you don't require to submit name change affidavit, only submit the corrected spelling government issued document and birth certificate as an proof. So for all these three scenarios you don't have to submit name change affidavit. So for all the rest of the scenarios you need to submit name change affidavit. So if you are a married woman and wishing to revert back to your maiden name but not divorced or widowed, then you have to submit name change affidavit to change your or revert back your name. And in case of change of name upon attaining adulthood from childhood, and minors change of name, and in case of change or addition of surname. For all these four scenarios you have to submit two clippings of newspaper which has advertised your new name, one from India and one from USA, and at least two public or school documents, that is government issued document or your school document with your desired name, that is new name or corrected name, and this name change affidavit. And this name change affidavit has to be notarized. So please watch through the end. I have shown a sample name change affidavit and how to fill your name change affidavit. And in case of shifting words, that is interchanging words in your name, for example Parameshwaran Shivakumar to Shiva Parameshwaran Kumar, in this case the first name and middle name are interchanged. So for these conditions you have to submit name change affidavit, but you don't require to advertise your name in newspaper, that is your newspaper clipping of new name is not required. And also for splitting the given name into first name and surname, for these two scenarios you don't have to submit newspaper clippings, you only have to submit name change affidavit with at least two public or school documents as a proof. I hope this is clear. I will provide this document in the description and also in the comment section. You can verify this once again. If you have any other doubt in this, please leave in the comment section. So the first thing is you have to make sure whether you need name change affidavit or if you don't need name change affidavit, and the second thing is whether you need to advertise your changed name in newspaper or not. So all these scenarios I have tried to put it up in a easiest way to understand. So please check this document once before you are filling your name change affidavit. So I have filled in sample name change affidavit form for the scenario of adding surname. In this case the person's old name is only Harish and he needs to add Khanna as his last name or surname. So the new name will be Harish Khanna. So I have filled the form accordingly to add the surname or last name. You can refer to this form for this scenario, and it should be same for all other scenarios. Wherever it is mentioned new name you have to provide your new name, and wherever it is mentioned as old name you have to provide your old name or previous name which you wish to change. And rest everything is very simple in this document. I will provide this template also in the description. Once you have filled this template, that is name change affidavit, this has to be signed and notarized. So do not sign the affidavit in home. So that is this part has to be signed in front of notary, and this part has to be notarized below. So while you are going for notary to notarize this document, please take newspaper clippings which has your changed name or desired name and also take 2 government issued ID card which has your desired name. So the notary will verify your new name and then he will sign this affidavit. So do not forget, this name change affidavit has to be signed and notarized. Do not sign the name change affidavit in home. You have to sign in front of the notary. So there are a couple of scenarios where we have to submit this name change affidavit, but I have given one sample for adding surname. So this is just a template. If you want to make any changes to this template, you can make. For example, you can change my wife as into my husband or my spouse, or if you are filling this form for a minor child, then you can just take out or strike out me and my wife and just mention my children. For minors, either of parents can fill this form and then notarized in front of the notary. Some notary required to see the minors while notarizing the document, so it's better to take the minor child also while notarizing this document. And for example, if you are not changing your surname and only are changing your name, then you can strike out the surname part and only mention the first name part. And if you are filling this form for spelling mistake or correction in your name, then please mention the old name with the wrong spelling and the new name with the correct spelling. For if you are submitting this form for spelling mistake or spelling change, then you don't have to advertise your name in newspaper and submit that newspaper as a document. Also, I have made a separate sample document for adding minor surname. If you are filling this form for a minor child, please refer to this form for the wordings. If you have any other doubts or if you have any other difficulty in filling this form, please leave in the comment section. I will get back to you immediately. And also, if you have any other doubts, please leave in the comment section. Again, I will link this name change affidavit form in the description and also in the comment section. You can use this name change affidavit form while you are applying for reissuance of passport. If you wish to change your name in your OCA, then you have to use OCA miscellaneous services and then attach this name change affidavit as an extra document to change your name in your existing OCA application. If you find this video helpful, please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. This will motivate me in making more videos like this. And also, please go through my channel. I have more informative videos. I hope you will like all those informative videos. If you find all those helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon to receive notification from my channel immediately once I upload a new video. Also, I have a separate playlist for OCA, passport renewal and visa related things. Please go through the playlist for easy access. Thank you.